Hi friends, welcome to Techie Venkateshh YouTube channel. My name is Venkatesh. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable the Hibernate option in Windows 10. By default, the Hibernate option won't be enabled, so we need to enable it. Click the Start button and type in Power. Then click Power and Sleep Settings. It will open a new dialog box. Then click Additional Power Settings. It will open a new dialog box. Then click Choose what the power buttons do. It will open a new dialog box. In Shutdown Settings, the Hibernate option is unchecked and also the settings are disabled. For that, we need to click Change the settings that are currently unavailable. Just check the Hibernate option and click Save Changes. That's it. We enabled the Hibernate option in Windows 10. If this video was helpful to you, please click the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.